Yes, you can finally use workflow actions in HighLevel with your own API key. So let's check this out. So in this action, we have whenever a call is completed, basically we're just going to check if we want to summarize and transcribe this call. So we're seeing if the duration is greater than 60 seconds if it's outbound, or if it's greater than 30 seconds and inbound. So the reason is if they're inbound and they leave a voicemail, you want to have that summarized so you don't have to go back and listen to it. But if it's outbound, you only want it to be transcribed if it's, a couple minutes, so you can actually know what happened, because if it's under that, probably nothing happened. Now, the actions that we're taking after that are firstly to transcribe the phone call. So we have to take that call recording and we have to get it turned into text. And the way we do that is, if I can click on this workflow action, is we drop in the recording URL, and then we can choose our transcription model. So we can do standard, which is cheaper, and then enhanced, which is more expensive, but it'll do a better job of kind of mapping the speakers. So if you have a long conversation and you have two speakers, with the standard, it'll think there's like 8 speakers for some reason, whereas with enhanced, it does a good job. And at the end, you can see like speaker, your salesperson talked for 40% of the time and the prospect 60. And then, if you have a salesperson where they're talking 80% of the time, obviously you're going to want to say something to them like, you talk too much. Okay, so anyways, then we have our custom API key. So in this case, it's going to be with deepgram, because that's what we're using to get the call transcribed. And so we can select deepgram, and the option is deepgram or none. We just use the built-in API key. And then same thing for summarized call recording. So what we'll do is we'll put in that call transcript, and then we can use the OpenAI client to, or a custom OpenAI key to get that transcribed. And then the options are 4.0 or 4.0 mini. And then we can basically choose like one of our prompt templates. And we have a bunch here, not sure why. But that's basically all there is to it. I'm going to show you how I actually implemented this. So I built an app that allows you to use your own API keys. And this is the dashboard right here. So basically what we do is we go to custom prompts, or not custom prompts, API keys. And we can just add an API key. And for some reason, I still got to fix some bugs. It's not showing the ones we have now, but we can just put in test, and we can do that, and then it should show up there, like that. And yeah, that's basically all we need to do. And I just realized the reason it's not here is because this is the location, and it's only at the agency level where the app is installed that you actually get access to your credentials. So if we go back, because this is an agency installed app, then we'll see our API keys right here. So we have our deepgram one and then our OpenAI one. And you can't actually view them because otherwise anyone could log in and just view your API key. So we just don't do that. So yeah, by the way, this app, I'm not quite done with it. It'll be coming out in by the end of the weekend. My Monday, I'll be releasing it. And you can click the link below if you want to get early access. But yeah, this is just one of the features that I'm implementing. So thanks for watching.